So the diagrams always work in a snaking format. So we come across, we turn around, and then we read the diagram in this direction and follow what it is. And then we turn around and then come back in this direction, and then we turn around and come back. So we can obviously add chains at the end of an instruction like this, because we can add that and then just turn around, second chain from the hook, and be able to build on. But the problem exists when the shape is going in the other direction and we're not having these stitches here. So what we came across, we have to turn around, we came across, and then we need to go back, but we need to create extra single crochets there. But because there's no base, what we have to do is we have to, with a slip stitch, add new yarn and chain the number that you see and then fasten off. And so what's going to happen is before you start this, you'll want to create that. So when you come across, you are then going to add the final 2 single crochets like you see here before turning around and going back. So if you're going in the wrong direction of not being able to add those chains in at the end, like the last one, we were able to do it before turning around. If you can't have that opportunity, you have to fasten on new yarn, chain the number, and then fasten off. I'd highly recommend that these pillows, because of the chain work and stuff like that, you can toss any of the loose ends inside the pillow at the end of it. So I wouldn't be too concerned about all of the tails that you'll have, because that's something that you can bury in later. So moving on to our next symbol, we have our single crochet.